I did want to just take a minute at the end to let all of the participants know that we do have a Winona Women's Facebook group that everyone is invited to join, whether you're a patient or not. I'll be adding in the link now, and I hope to see y'all all there very soon. Dr. Green sometimes answers questions on there. I often participate, and so I'm very happy.
Can I say something about that before we sign off real quick? Sorry, I was going to mention this at the beginning and I forgot. I got too into the whole birth control versus HRT thing. That's a really good thing. And, there's perspective that you guys can give each other that me or the other doctors can't give you, because you're living it and you're in the midst of it, and you can really help each other. And honestly, it's therapeutic to talk about this together and help each other out. And it's a good thing to do. So I would join that and be active in it. I think this peer-to-peer, you guys are all going through a similar thing. It's really beneficial to get on there and help each other talk about it, talk things out, and you have a shared experience that's worth sharing. So anyway, sorry, that's my pitch.
All right, I think we're probably going to close out now. Thank you for everyone for coming.
Thanks, you guys. See you next month.
See you next
See you on the dashboard.